everyone. Today I will demonstrate, I will perform a demo video for the individual task. My name is Cao Khải Minh, and the content is making a screen recording with audio narration of the individual, creating a new Jira Scrum project, adding user story, backlog, timing a sprint, creating tasks, and managing a sprint board. So to start, you're gonna go to here in Jira, and uh, from here this space, click the plus icon, and we're gonna make a Scrum. Use the same template and just giving a web name, like website, uh, commerce, ecom website, ecom web. So and we gotta use team manage because I'm not working for any like company, and access is just to use for private, or you want to share with everyone, or just limited access. Keyword is just based on this. Next, here you can bring your team along. It's basically uh, self-explanatory. Like you can add your team members. Right now I just do it on my own, so I won't add anyone except these, and done. And you will go to this board. So we're gonna start on like the timeline to create like an epic. What is an epic? It's like big features, or big features for your like software. So um, I'm gonna create like a UI slash UX epic, like so. Here, and we gotta go to backlog and create a like a user story. A user story is this is like, yeah, a user story is based on like a format. It's like, as a user I want X to be like something E, so right now it's to, as a user, to use the website smoothly. So uh, and then we're gonna change it to story and create. After creating, you can plus epic is to add it to the featured list, and then click on here, navigate to details, manage field. From here you can add like assignee, label, parents, due date. Right now I want to add time tracking, priority for which task should come first, and original estimate here, and save changes. Go back to here, and then you can see due date. uh, Today is the 13th of April, so I'm gonna make it like a week later. Start date is today, so I just choose today. Time tracking, the original estimate. The original estimate is I want it to be done for 4 hours, and then after estimating the original time tracking will appear here for the developer to log how much like work they put it in. Right now, the priority is I want it to be high, as so, and then I want to add a subtask. For the template, right now I want to use a to create to access the web smoothly. So I want to create a website, a simple website, one subtask, and simple website, and that should be it for the website. Okay, from here, we got a like a task and a subtask all labeled in, so we can drag it to the sprint and then just click start sprint. Right now, is the sprint name is what you want to call it. Duration, I give it a weeks, so it's matched the the due date of the test, the backlog test. Start, then it will take you to the board. Right now, it's only giving you the epic, so you can go to the group, search by subtask, and then you can see everything in details. Right now, right here is unassigned, but this is my own like project, so I can assign myself, and then inside here we can have we can have a description to make it clear for the developer, and inside here is all the details, the assignee, the label. You can add a label. The parents is of the epic, is the test, and the sprint is the sprint name here. And then you can add a comment to like communicate between team members, and the work log is from inside here. So when you're done, for example, when you're done, you can like when you're done, you can uh, like tell the scrum master how much time you put in. So right now, so this is the general task, and then when you can drag it to in progress. In here, other team members can see which task is currently being done from here. And then when you're done, you can just drag it to done here, and then uh, you log the work time 4 hours and save. That should be it. Right now, mis I'm misdid uh, the like subtask. Mm-hmm. The subtask, I think, and then due date. You can add a time tracking, original estimate, priority here. Save, go back, and uh, so when the time tracking is I already logged 4 hours. So but if it but when I but like for the task that I haven't logged, it will show that the time remain we have 4 hours right now. I already logged it, so it has like 0 minutes left. So, and we come back to the board, and when everything is done, you click complete sprint, and you're done with like one sprint, and then you can rinse and repeat for like other sprints. That's my like representation. That's my representation about doing like a solo e-commerce website and planning a Scrum. Thank you for listening.